Orlando Pirates head coach Abdusalam Wadu insists the Badway Premiership title race is far from over, despite his side dropping points in a 1-1 draw against Siwelele FC on Saturday. The Buccaneers missed a golden opportunity to strengthen their grip at the top of the table after being held at the Orlando Stadium in Soweto. The result leaves Pirates on 48 points from 21 matches, just 1 point ahead of the defending champions Mamelodi Sundowns, who still have a game in hand. Despite the setback, Wado remains confident his side can still go all the way, and said we just have to keep going and believe because there are still 9 games left. Our boys gave everything on their pitch today. Siwelele struck first through Vincent Pule, who put the visitors ahead in the first half. Pirates responded after the break when Tsepang Moremi found the equalizer to rescue a point for the home side. Pirates pushed hard for a winner, but were repeatedly denied by an inspired performance from Siwelele goalkeeper Ricardo Goss. Wado humorously compared the shot-stopper's display to something divine and said, "We have to give the credit to the goalkeeper. He's the man of the match. We didn't have a goalkeeper in front of us today. We had Jesus Christ in the goal. He saved everything." The Pirates coach added that while his side created numerous chances, breaking down a team fighting for survival in the league is never easy, and said for us the most difficult thing in football is creating chances, especially against a team fighting to save their position. I think the goalkeeper saved his team today with a fantastic performance. Pirates will now turn their focus to their next fixture against TS Galaxy at the Mbombela Stadium next Sunday. However, the Soweto Giants could lose top spot before the clash if Sundowns defeat Moromo Gallants on Tuesday. With 9 matches still to play, Wado believes the title race remains wide open. Please like, comment, share and subscribe for more sports news.